exploring the Wokwi simulator. So from the website, let's click the Arduino Uno and scroll and look for the start from the scratch and find the Arduino Uno. So here we can see the save button, share button, and docs where we can see the unique features of the Wokwi and also a manual. So here we can see different tabs where we can input our code. So here in the other side, we can see the start button, plus icon, where we can see the list of components. So let us start by clicking the plus icon and clicking let and drag it on the side of our Arduino, and let's add some resistor. So here we can have input values for our resistor. So now we can connect the wires on the resistor and then connect the LED to the designated pin on the Arduino Uno. So now we can edit the code if we want to change the color of the wire. So here, here we can type what color of wire we want. So for example, color red. So we can also edit the color of LEDs, for example, color black, green. On the other tab, we can write the code of the microcontroller. So once we are done on the code, we can now check the simulators. We can click the start button to see if the simulation is working. So now we see the green LED is blinking.